hard romance. She did it to me. I slipped and fell in love. In love.